everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Let's Take It Easy. And for today's video, I am going to be teaching you how to transfer photos from your Mac to your USB. So first up, what you want to do is come down to the dock and find Finder. Then find your USB. It should be in Locations. Mine's right here. So these are my pictures. Then find the picture you want to transfer. I'll go to Downloads and then find my picture right here and then drag it down to your USB. Then let go. And there you go. You just transferred your picture to your USB. Thank you for watching, and if you need further assistance, feel free to contact us at 03865 215 89. And together we'll take it easy.